Actually, yeah, during the 90s, he was with ABS, I was with GMA. But there came a time also na when we did Growing Up under the Mark Reyes and we worked together. And regardless kasi na before kasi miski na magkaiwalay ng networks, we do provincial shows together. So miski na pa paano nakakapag-bonding kami with other cast of other networks. So we're okay, and actually I'm very excited to be working with this group of people again. And I'm excited to work with Diego, and I'm glad that he's back to see him working again.
Good morning po. Pero ako nag-start noong 96, ako nag-good morning po. And pinag-uusapan namin ni Bago nila about our kids, education, homework, parent teacher conference. So it makes me feel old, but at least well, I'm happy to work with Renmark. It was easy on the first day kasi medyo sanay na rin ako with Direk. And of course, si Bob. It's great to see him again.
Okay, kay Pancho naman, how does it feel to be working with this cast? Considering parang
supportive po ng lahat ng cast, sobrang gagaling.
Thank you, Joseph. Masunod po na magtatanong, si Tito Pete, ang bulog.
Si Mr. Diego Castro, how does it feel?
Pero sa akin, Angelica, Jackie, and Jenica.
Kamusta naman? Sino yung una mong naka-arte, naka-eksena sa Jenica?
Si Jenica kasi siya yung girlfriend ko. Na first time ko magkaka-love interest.
First time mo ba magka-love?
Oo. Kaya yung mga may patinginan, never hirap sobra.
Hirap ka?
Oo, hindi ako yun eh.
Bakit? Kasi hindi ka sincere.
Hindi ako marunong makipag-flirt. Hindi ako mahina ka sa oo nga. Tapos ikaw, kamusta ka naman?